Okay. What is the first question? The first question is, first all of you sit straight. Sit straight, all of you. Aditya Thakur, unmute yourself, beta. Aditya? Aditya, unmute yourself, beta.
Unmute.
Okay. Okay, very good. Read the first question. Take the correct answer.
Answer.
Take the correct answer. Chapter 2, question number A. A model of the earth is called. Read.
Model of the earth is called
What are the options?
atlas, globe, and sketch.
What will be the answer?
Globe.
Yes, all of you take on option B, that is globe. Kalidas, what happened? Where is the book? Yes, Kalidas.
Ma'am.
Where is the book, Kalidas? Yes.
मैम नहीं है.
Why, beta? नहीं है नहीं बोलना है. What we will say, ma'am, I don't have book. Why you don't have your SST book, beta? Kalidas? Why you have not purchased yet? Don't you know the PT1 exam is coming near? And if you don't have your SST book, then how will you read? How will you learn the answers?
Ma'am.
It is important, na beta. Wait. I am talking to Kalidas. Kalidas, book is very important. Okay, who don't have book? Raise your hand. Who don't have book? Just raise your hand. I will see. I will see on the screen. Everyone have book except Kalidas. Kalidas, beta, purchase your book. Otherwise, how will you give the exam? Your PT1 exam, how will you give? And how will you write the answers if you will not know the answers? Everyone have book. And if you will don't have book, everyone will be first. And how will you be first, Kalidas? If you will don't have book, purchase your book as soon as possible, beta. It is very important. Okay, let's move on towards our textual. Yes. Start. Read second question, beta.
Large water bodies are called seas, oceans, या rivers.
What will be the answer?
Oceans.
Yes, number B. Tick on the option B, Priyank. Why you are turning the page?
Ma'am, today is Aditya's birthday.
Number B.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oh, wow, today is Aditya's birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Everyone unmute yourself. Everyone, I'm giving you the option to unmute yourself. Everyone, unmute yourself.
मैम मुझे एक बात पूछना है.
आप 2 मिनट रुक जाइए. Now everyone will wish Aditya. Just wait. Everyone unmute yourself.
जाएगा.
Wait. Let me unmute you all.
मैम.
Wait, beta. Wait. Today is Aditya's birthday. Very nice. Everyone, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. What will Yugrachna, unmute yourself, beta. Yugrachna,
Ma'am, unmuted.
Yugrachna, I'm talking to you. Yugrachna, beta, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I am unmuted.
Wait. Yugrachna, unmute yourself, beta. Done. Unmute yourself. Unmute. Click on the left side button. Very good. Everyone, what we will do? What we are doing in the classroom when there is anyone's birthday?
We sing.
Yes. So what we will do? Start wishing. Start wishing. Clap and start wishing to Aditya, everyone. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Aditya.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
God
May
bless
God
you.
bless you, my child. Happy birthday to you.
To
Everyone
you.
clap. Everyone clap. Everyone clap. Very
Ma'am.
good. Yes, Aditya.
Thank you,
All
ma'am.
of you be quiet. All of you be quiet. Only Aditya will say. All of you be quiet. Only Aditya will say. Yes, Aditya?
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, and my friends.
Yes. But Aditya, where is party? Aditya, where is party?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, where is party? Yes, where is our chocolates? Aditya. इसका तो आप बच गए. इसका तो आप बच गए, Aditya. But where is the chocolates? Okay, chalo. Now continue our class. Yes, Aditya, continue our class, beta. Read the second question.
Large water bodies are called seas, oceans, rivers. The answer is ocean.
Beta, it's yes. Rudra, it's your chapter 2 textual exercise. Take the correct answer. Rudra Pratap Singh, it's your second chapter. Take the correct answer. Question number 2. What will be the answer, Aditya?
Oceans.
Yes, all of you tick on the option B. That is oceans. Okay. Read the next question.
Which is the largest ocean? Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
What will be
The
the
answer
answer?
is Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean. Yes, number B. Everyone tick on the option B. That is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Everyone, Pacific Ocean. Anshika Raj, you don't have book, beta. Okay, you can write in your copy, but please purchase your book as soon as possible. Okay, question number 3, which is the largest ocean? The answer is Pacific Ocean. Read the next question, beta.
Which is the largest continent? Asia, Africa, Europe.
Answer will be
Asia.
yes. The answer will be Asia. I mean, the answer is Asia. Everyone tick on the option A. That is Asia. Answer A, Asia. Okay, next question.
India lies in which continent? Africa, Asia, Europe.
Yes, what will be the answer?
Asia.
Asia. Everyone tick on the option B. That is Asia. Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone done? Very good. Okay, but I will show you a picture that will make you more clear. Those who have not done, those who have not take the options, you can take from seeing here. A model of the earth is called an globe. Large water bodies are called oceans. Don't do this. Which is the largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Which is the largest continent? Asia. And India lies in which continent? Asia. Done? Okay. Next question will read. Adding you have done. Have you done adding? Okay. Adding, unmute yourself, and Aditya, mute yourself, beta. Adding, unmute yourself, beta. Adding, unmute yourself, beta. Aapke, yes, very good. Read the next question, Adding. Fill in the blanks.
Hello.
A globe is a model.
Wait, Adding. Anshika Raj, if you don't have book, beta, purchase your book as soon as possible, and right now you can write the answers in your copy. Yes, Adding, read the question.
A globe is a model of the earth.
Yes, a globe is a model of the. What will be the answer, Adding? Very good. Write the answer, Earth. Very good. Earth. EARTH. Very good, Prashansa. EARTH. EARTH. Okay, next question. Adding, read, beta. Read, Adding, read the question.
A book
of map
is called an. A book of maps is called an
Atlas.
Atlas. What will be the answer? Yes, Atlas. Right, Atlas. 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 Arnav, are you writing? Are you writing, Arnav? Yes. Atlas. ATLAS. Done. Read the next question.
That are the maps that we hang on the wall. The wall.
Yes, what will wall maps? What will be the answer? Wall maps. Right.
Wall maps.
Good. Wait. Everyone write wall maps. WALL wall MAPS maps. WALL wall MAPS maps. Everyone done? Yes, do like this. Everyone done? Yes. Okay,
Yes,
next. Next question, read, Adding.
The dash part of the globe show water and dash part shows the land on the earth.
What will be the answer, Adding?
Blue and
Brown.
Blue and brown.
Very good. In the first blank, what you will write? Blue. Right? Blue. On the globe, the water bodies are shown in which color? It is shown in blue color. Right? Blue. BLUE. Arnav, what happened? Why are you doing like this? Right? Blue. 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 And in the next blank, what you will write? Brown. On the globe, the land part is shown in brown color, right? Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Everyone write B-R-O-W-N. B-R-O-W-N. Written? Do like this? Have you written? Very good. Okay, very good. So, Erin, mute yourself, and Prashansa, where are you? Let me see. Yes, Erin, mute yourself, beta. Prashansa, have you done fill in the blanks? Oh, sorry, true and false? Very good.
I have done
Okay.
true and false.
Okay, Prashansa, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, Prashansa, unmute yourself. Right, you have button on the left side, beta. Click on that button. Unmute yourself. Very good. Start reading the true and false.
A globe shows different cities, countries, etc. on the earth.
What will be the answer?
True.
A globe shows different cities, countries, etc. on the earth. What you will write, everyone?
True.
Edding, what will be the answer? Very good, Prashansa. Right? True. A globe shows different cities, countries, etc. on the earth. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Cities also you can see on the globe. Yes? Cities also you can see on the globe.
No, ma'am.
Everyone turn the page. Everyone turn the page. Turn the page and read the chapter starting from the starting globe. Turn the page and start reading.
Ma'am, from here.
Yes?
The earth is very... Ma'am, from where? The earth is
Globe.
big
Globe.
in size. If
Be quiet,
globe
everyone. Only Prashansa will read. Be quiet. Be quiet. Only Prashansa will read.
From where?
Yes, read Prashansa.
Ma'am,
From globe, beta. Globe. Globe.
ma'am, here is not globe.
Okay, start reading from the front. From the starting.
How our earth looks. The earth
Yes.
is very big in size. It is not possible to see the earth at one time. So we have to make a model of the earth to study it. A model of the earth is called a globe. It is shaped like a ball. It shows different cities, countries, mountains, river and other things on the surface of the earth. The globe
Yes. Done. The answer is? What will be the answer?
is true.
True. Very good. I just wanted to make you confused, Prashansa. I just wanted to get the answer from you. Okay. What is the next question?
Small map.
Everyone. Sorry, Prashansa. Wait. Sorry to intervene you. Wait. Everyone, have you written true in first question?
Yes,
Have you written true, everyone? Do like this.
yes, ma'am.
Very good. Read next question, Prashansa.
Small maps can be hanged on the walls.
Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it true? Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading maps. Start reading map.
It is difficult to see the details of every country on the globe. To see the details, we use a map. A map is a drawing of the whole or a part of the earth on a flat surface. A
Yes.
book of map is called atlas. Maps are of many kinds. Small maps can be pasted in the book, folded and kept in our pockets. Sometimes we use
Small maps. What is the? Yes, Prashansa. What will be the answer? Small maps are. Small maps can be hanged on the wall. Yes, small maps are being stick in your book or copy. The answer will be yes. The answer will be false. Yes, false. Everyone write F. Himanshu, any problem? Himanshu Kumar Bhandari, any problem, beta? Why are you moving so much? Everyone sit straight. Everyone sit straight. Yes. Everyone write false in question number 2. Okay, read the third one, Prashansa.
71% of the earth is covered with land.
Is it sure? Is it true or false?
False.
So what will be the answer? 71% of the earth is covered with what?
Water.
Yes, right? False. Everyone in question number 3, right? False. F. Everyone done? Do like this. Everyone done? Very good, Rudra. Rudra, have you done matching? Have you done matching? Very nice. Yes, Prashansa. Next question, beta.
Asia is the largest continent.
What will be the answer?
True.
Yes, the answer will be true. Asia is the largest continent. True. Very good. Everyone write in question number 4, true. In question number 4, Asia is the largest continent. True. Yes, Prashansa. Next question, beta.
Done matching.
The Arctic Ocean is the largest ocean.
What will be the answer?
False.
So, which is the largest ocean?
Pacific.
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. What you will write in question number 5? The answer will be false. Very good, Prashansa. The answer will be false. Write F. Read the next question, Prashansa.
The Pacific Ocean is the smallest ocean.
Is it true or false?
False.
False.
Why? So, which is the smallest ocean?
Arctic.
Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. So, what will be the answer?
False.
False.
False. Yes. All of you write false in the last question. Have you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Prashansa, repeat your answer. True and false, repeat. What will be in first question?
A globe shows different cities.
No. Don't read, beta. Don't read. I just wanted answer from you. What will be in first?
True.
What will be in second?
False.
Third?
False.
Fourth?
True.
Fifth?
False.
Sixth?
False.
Everyone done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone listen to Prashansa in this class. Prashansa had teach you all now. Prashansa aiding Aditya. Now it's turn to Rudra Narayan. Yes, Rudra.
Matching.
Be quiet, everyone, and everyone mute yourself. Only Rudra will unmute himself. Yes, Rudra. Rudra, give me 2 minutes, beta. I am just taking your attendance. Just give me, no, not 2 minutes, only few seconds. much noise is coming from your side, Rudra? Yes. Start reading. Unmute yourself, Rudra. Rudra, I'm talking to you, beta. Rudra, are you there? Rudra Pandey. Rudra, are you there, beta? Rudra, unmute yourself. Yes. Start reading the match the following. Yes, Rudra, start reading.
Match the following. Atlas, B number.
Atlas. What
B
will be the
number.
answer? B number.
B number.
Everyone match Atlas with B number.
B
With
number.
B number. B. B for ball. B for boy. Match Atlas with B number.
B number.
Yes. Next.
Globe with A number.
Globe. Match globe with A number. Match globe with A number.
A number.
Very good. Next.
Compass, D number.
Match compass with D number.
D
D for
number.
dog. D for dog. Match compass with D number. D for dog. Yes. Then
Wall map, C number.
C number. Match wall map with C number.
C number.
Yes, C number. Okay. Rudra, repeat your answer.
Atlas, B number. Globe, A
Then?
number. Globe, A number.
Then
Compass, D number. Wall map, C number.
D. D for dog. Yes. Have you all done? Do like this. Have you all done? Do like this. Very good, Shivam. Very nice. Aditi, very good. Yes, Aparna. Very good. Very nice. Okay. So, in this chapter, in textual, everyone have done? Textual?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Manya, have you done the objective questions of chapter 3? Manya, have you done? Have you done? Chapter 3.
Take the correct answer.
No. Rudra, mute yourself, beta. I'm talking to Manya. Manya, have you done the textual of chapter 3? Okay. Unmute yourself. Yes, Manya, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start reading. Everyone,
Tick the correct answer.
yes. Tick the correct answer.
Tick the
This
correct
is of chapter 3.
Oh,
What, Manya, what is the name of the chapter? What is the name of the chapter, Manya?
our country, India. Our country,
Our country?
India.
Very
India.
good. Start reading the questions. Start reading, beta.
Over 130.
Yes, read. First you read the question.
Over dash crore people live in India.
Options are
90, 100, 130.
what will be the answer?
130.
Everyone mark on the option C. Option C, that is 130. Mark on the option C. Right now, Manya is teaching you all. You have to listen to Manya.
Which
Aditi Sharma,
is the
wait. Aditi Sharma, you can write your question. You can message me your question. Yes, Manya, next.
which is the highest mountain in the world? Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, K2.
What will be the answer?
Answer is Mount Everest.
Yes, everyone tick on the option B. That is Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Everyone done? Yes, do like this. Everyone have done? Very good. Next, Manya.
Which of the following river rise in the Himalayas? Ganga, Brahmaputra, both of these.
Yes, what will be the answer?
Answer is both of these.
Yes, everyone tick on the option C. That is both of these. Both of these. Ganga and Brahmaputra. Both of these. Yes, next question.
Pandamani, Pandaman
Andaman.
Pandaman and Nicobar,
Nicobar.
Iceland are
Islands.
in the
No, it's not. Manya, listen, listen. It's not Iceland, it's islands. Okay, read. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Continue, beta. Yes, read. What happened?
Bay of
Bengal.
Bengal.
Bengal. What will be the answer? The answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands are
Bay
in the...
of Bengal.
Yes, everyone take on the option B. That is Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. Everyone take on the option B. That is Bay of Bengal. Yes. Read the next question, Manya.
The southern part of India is Iceland,
Islands.
Peninsula, or Delta. Peninsula.
What will be the answer?
Answer is Peninsula.
The southern part. That means everyone जो आप map देखते हो, the southern part, that is the lower part. The map, the lower part, the southern part, it is covered, or you can say most of this part is peninsula. The water body is covered from the three sides. That is peninsula. Everyone tick on the option B. That is peninsula. Option B, peninsula. Done? Everyone done? Manya, read your answer again.
First answer is 130